Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and we have another stunning Grey Lynn home for you today. 10 Sherwood Ave is one of the best that we've seen, and we cannot wait to have you through for a look. Let's go and check it out. We start things away with one of the nicest streets in one of the best suburbs in Auckland. Location is just perfect, with easy access to Grey Lynn shops, bars and cafes, an easy walk to the zoo or motor, and great connections to motorways and public transport if needed. The home itself has 4 double bedrooms, the master with a fabulous ensuite, the skylight and soaring ceiling giving such a great sense of space and light. The family bathroom has double showers and a large bath, making it work for families all across the spectrum. And the grand entrance hall leads through to the large open plan living, kitchen and dining, with its pitch ceiling creating a fantastic atmosphere for entertaining. Tucked away is the butler's pantry for all the extra storage needs, the laundry and access to the loft through a drop-down ladder. The living opens to a low-maintenance back garden that enjoys sunshine all day long and has enough room for the children or fur babies alike. The decking faces west and captures all the afternoon sun right through till dusk. And with this amazing double-sided fireplace, you can stay outside all year round enjoying a drink or dinner. And there's something special that we don't normally find, and that is this amazing internal access double garage with enough room for a bench and workshop also. There's not many homes like this. We absolutely love it, and we know you will too. It's time for someone to come and make this their forever home. It's going to be popular, so make sure you come along on the weekend. We can't wait to see you here.